This is how you launch the Windows RDP instance on the AWS. First, you come to the AWS dashboard, search for EC2, choose launch an instance. An instance is another name for just a server. So you're launching an instance of a server. Give it a name, Windows testing. Choose the image, which is Windows, and basically the operating system. You choose the instance type, the specifications, with the T3 medium, has a 4 GB RAM, and two vCPUs. Then you need to create a new package. Here we'll help you extract the password for the instance or how to access it. Call it testing, because we need it while accessing it. We need the keypad to access the password for the Windows RDP. Create it, it will download automatically. For the network settings, everything should remain default. We will leave it on create a security group. Security group just roles to allow you to monitor IPs and any IP or any other computer that can be able to access the server. That is where you set the rules. So leave it at create a security group. Then nothing else. You launch it in default and you launch the instance. Once the instance is launched, here's where you check it. We label it as Windows testing, so wait until the status check is 3 of 3 before you access it. Okay. In the meantime, you can edit now the security groups or the roles or firewalls for which IPs on who and who is supposed to connect. Come to security, view security, edit the security. Yeah. So it has been allowed to, means you can access it from anywhere. Okay, means the security group is okay. I just go back and confirm that the instance is valid. Now how you, here is the IP address now that we are going to use to connect to the remote desktop. So for you to get the password, you come to connect, click on RDP client. The default username is always administrator. So to get password, upload the key now that you generated, the key pair. So we call it Windows testing. On the downloads folder, decrypt. Here is the password for the remote desktop. So we copy it somewhere. So first, next step is now we go back to the instances. We take the IP address now. You see, when you highlight the instance, the IP address is going to show you. Take the IP address, go to your Windows menu tab, desktop, click on open. Now you paste IP here. Show more options. Your username by default is administrator. Right. So the password is the one that we extracted. Here's the password. Click on S, accept the certificate. We are now logging in. We have now successfully logged into the Windows server. You can see the IPs here. Once you launch the instance is now billable per hour because it's on demand. You can install anything now here. Windows Server now. Start now. Okay. To now finish. Finish. Let's log in successfully. I have now successfully logged into Windows Server. That's how you launch a Windows instance on AWS in less than 5 minutes.